was recently arrested for illegally downloading all of Wikipedia. I told the officer, wait, I can explain everything. I was downtown last weekend. Somebody was there in the corner throwing, Stephen King books at everybody. I wondered, why is he doing that? And then it hit me. Welcome to the Dad Pod. If you saw my March monthly Roundup watch subscription box video, you probably noticed that the monthly watch box was missing. I really don't understand why all these companies like Risk Mafia, Monthly Watch Box, and Clockwork Club UK have such a hard time getting people signed up. A customer signs up, they get added to the list, next time the watch is shipped, they get their order. I mean, I don't have that problem with Watch Gang or the Watch King, or any of the non-watch boxes like Spreza, Gentleman's Box Monthly, or Quarterly, Emma and Chloe. I mean, they all arrive when they're supposed to. So the March monthly roundup was released in early April. It's where I show you all of the watches that I've received for the month, with all of them side by side that I'm signed up for. And I compare them so that way you can see the differences. And I'll tell you about, any issues that I've had with the company, or if, any issues I've had with the watch, because, at this point in time, I'm going to be able to open up this watch, but I'm not really going to be able to tell you, how it feels on my wrist after wearing it for a day or two. I can do all that in the roundup videos. So the April roundup video should be released around the beginning of May, probably the first week. So make sure you subscribe so that way you're notified. April will be the third month of the Roundup watch subscription comparison video. So if you haven't seen the other ones, I'll give you a link right up here for one of them. So I'm guessing that the owners of the monthly watch box haven't seen any of my videos yet. I'm going to keep pointing this next part out until they fix it. So they have 4 plans that you can choose from. The starter watch plan is $29 per month plus shipping, which brings it up to $34 per month. And like I said, I'm going to keep pointing this next part out. It says on the website, right here, that this is a great way to build your knife collection. Yep, for a watch company. I know. So the reason is because they also have a monthly knife club company. It does get confusing when you sign up for a monthly watch subscription company and the emails and the billing are from a monthly knife company. And, like I said, even their website has issues where it says knife instead of watch. Then you have the basic watch plan, which is $59 plus shipping. However, I can't really tell you how much that comes up to because from what I can tell, you can't actually sign up for the plan because there's an issue with the website. Right here, it'll only give you the options of the basic plan with either international shipping or Canada shipping, not US shipping. I'm going to assume that, once they fix the website to allow people to sign up for the basic watch plan, it'll be $64 to include $5 shipping. Also, if you read the description, it basically says this plan is similar to the previous one, but better. Not a whole lot of thought gone into that one. So then you have the advanced watch plan, which is $99 plus another $5 in shipping, bringing it to $104 per month. And if you read the description for this one, it basically says this is similar to the previous plan, but even better. Again, gotta love that level of wordsmithing. I mean, that would make even Shakespeare jealous. So, and then they have the G-Shock Elite plan, which is $149 plus $5 in shipping. I'm currently signed up for the starter plan, the $34 per month plan. So, all right, let's take a look and let's see what we got this month. From the outside, it looks like we have another Casio watch. And from what I can tell, they've learned a lesson from the last time. So if you saw the, last month they didn't sell one, but the month before, if you saw that video, you'd probably remember that they sent me an analog watch with the base of a digital watch and the instructions for a smartwatch. So as you can see on this one right here, this is blank, and blank is better than wrong. So it does have some information for the watch right here, so I will be right back. I'm gonna go see what I can find out for y'all. Well, I'm back and I'm slightly disappointed. This watch right here, I'll put close-up pictures to it right over here. This watch is available on Amazon.com and Walmart for $23 and $25. which means I paid $34 for a $23 watch. So it is the Casio MTP V006 Delta-1BUDF wristwatch. Again, I'll put some close-up pics so that way you can see it better. It has a Japanese quartz movement. It has mineral crystal display with both day and date information on it. Roman numeral numbers on the watch face, and then it has a stainless steel case and band with a fold-over deployment clasp. So it is a decent looking watch, but it's the same issue with the Clockwork Club UK. It just kind of feels like they had the number of orders that they needed to make. They ran over to Walmart, bought a bunch of watches, and then shipped them out at $10 more than the watch retail cost was. It's not very... If I were ordering this just as a regular customer and not a reviewer, I would absolutely not be happy about it. Even as a reviewer, I'm not happy, but I get to make a video, so it's not all bad. I have 3 of the watches that I need for April's monthly roundup video. I have the monthly watch box right here. I have Wrist Mafia and the Watch King. I'll be making videos on them over the next few days. I still need Watch Gang and Watch of the Month Club, which might actually be here by the time this video is released. Here's a link to the March monthly watch subscription box roundup. I'm curious to see what other watches I get throughout the rest of the month of April. Alright, well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, whether it was for research to see if this, was a box that you want to sign up for, or if it was just a way to fulfill your unboxing fix. Either way, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.